Editing a gig on Fiverr is essential for keeping your offerings relevant and attractive to potential buyers. Here's how to do it. Log into your account. Start by logging into your Fiverr account using your credentials. Go to your profile. Click on your profile picture at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Selling 10 gigs to view all your active gigs. Select the gig to edit. Locate the gig you want to edit. Click on the Edit button next to the gig title. Make your edits. You can modify various elements, including title. Change the title to better capture attention. Description. Update your gig description to clarify your services or add new information. Pricing. Adjust your prices or package details if needed. Tags and categories. Change tags or categories to improve search visibility. Gallery. Update images or videos to showcase your work effectively. Save changes. After making your edits, click on the Save button at the bottom of the page. Review the changes to ensure everything appears as intended. Preview your gig. Finally, preview your gig to see how it looks to potential buyers. This ensures your updates enhance the overall appeal.